Good morning, good morning. Good morning na naman mga pari koy. Araw ng Miyerkules. At as usual na naman, maghahatid ng estudyante. Medyo ano naman, maulap na naman.
Ano nga maulap? Sunny.
Tignan mo
Very sunny today and 35 degrees again. Nalipatang nga nagsibo.
Sa Montreal mainit sobra. Tignan nyo yung mga talagang sunog na sila sa
Dati mo't nasunugan.
sorry
Hilay na. Madagdagan ko lang pa yan.
Kaya mabinta ang halo-halo ngayon. Tapos yung mga nandyan sa bahay, sa pilitan na pumupunta dyan sa mga mahangin na lugar para makapag refreshment. Kasi pag nandun ka sa loob ng bahay, napakainit. Kung hindi ka na mag-aircon, ay siyempre dagdag bayarin na naman sa kuryente. Magdamag pa naman na naka-on yung aircon na dalawa, ay kunti maliit yung yan, 300 na naman. Maaga pa lang ramdam mo na talaga yung init ng panahon. Mga ilang buwan lang to, lalaglagan na naman yung mga dahon. Ilang na lang, July, August, September, October, 4 na buwan na lang.
bagay no dahil ito yung napangkas na napangkasungkuman kasi wala ka dayo na tikpag na yun. Well, lumabakan ko din yun. Mayat dito yun pa-apan sa alog. Nagamit ka nung uli ka nung ganagtan na. Manda na lagit mo.
You are playing with Janet for a family 4-pack of tickets to see the international fireworks at La Ronde happening on July 3rd. We're kicking it off with Italia. Alright, Italia.
July 3rd, the fireworks. Nung July 1 ko, dapat the fireworks.
Janet, we call you first. Who do you want to play with?
Ay,
Natasha or
pagbuyan.
Sophie? I love you both.
Nagtrabaho ko dyan.
Thank you, Janet. I appreciate that.
There you go.
Alright.
All right, we'll spin it up between Janet and Natasha. Starts in 3, 2, and 1.
When you go to the casino and you win, you have won the lottery. No, another word for it. Another word for it. Okay, when you're a performer and you're on stage and you perform in front of people, they're called an audience. Yeah. You have to reduce your speed when you're driving. Oh, I just said the word. Sorry. A circle is what shape?
Circle.
Yeah. Not lightning, but
Thunderstorm.
when you speak like this into someone's ear, you whisper. Yeah. The grass is what color?
Green.
When you have pieces of something, you're making a puzzle. Yes. Give it to her. Yes.
Listen, it was after the buzzer, but I'll be nice. I'll give
Okay
it.
lang ako kasi nag-push doon.
Yes.
All right.
Not bad. I gave away the speed one.
Yeah. Listen, Lucy, we got this. Okay.
We'll see.
Dialed in.
We'll see. Okay. All right. In 3, 2, 1, spit it out between Lucy and
A light gust of wind is called a
Wind.
okay.
Fart.
The mixed ice cream at Dairy Queen that you turn upside down.
Flutter.
No. Okay. Peanut butter and
Jelly.
the other word for it.
Jam.
Yeah.
Laugh.
What am I doing?
Laughing. Yamot.
you're not doing very well is what you're doing. You're doing very well.
Yan, at nakarating na naman tayo, nakapaghatid.
Not bad.
Laki ng aso. Yun, at pauwi na tayo. Matirik na daanan. Meron ding nag-ano, nangangalakal. Pilipino yata. Philippines. Pero mas ano siya dito kasi bahay ng subdivision dito. Mga subdivision, parang subdivision ano yung mga ano nila, puro binibili. Ngayon yung labasan ng basura eh. Yan oh. Marami kang makukuha dito. Mag-ikot nga rin tayo mamaya. Diyan mamaya pag ano saglit tayo ng mga basura dyan. Makakuha lang tayo ng 20 piraso, di yun na yun, $2.